Okay, year 3. So in this video, I'm going to discuss mostly activity 4 in your maths packet, and this has to do with number lines when we're working with fractions. So have a look at this. I showed you yesterday that if I have a shape and I cut it into equal parts, I can divide them and have fractions. How many parts are there? 4. And if I color one of those 4 parts, then it is a quarter. But fractions don't only take place in shapes. I can also show a fraction on a line. So let's have a look at this one. How many equal parts are there on this line? 2. And if I were a frog and I was jumping from this line to that one, how far did I jump? How many parts? 1. So this is half, and that is half of the line. In this line, how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So my denominator is 3. And now you are a frog again and you're jumping. I'm going to jump this far. Where did I land? How many? 1, 2. So I jumped 2/3 of the line. Let's do one more. Let's go a little difficult. Let's go this one. Count. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I'm going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, let me go that far. And that's where I land. What fraction of the line did I jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 6s. So in activity 4, you have to cut out these tiny little numbers. I am not going to do that because I don't have the time. And you have to put them on your number line. But some places there are a spot for 2 of them. That's because we have something called equal fractions. I explained that in the video yesterday. So first off, let's just count how many equal parts are there in this line to get to a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts in total. So if I had to see what fraction of the line would that be, I count how many times did I hop. If you were a frog, 1, 2, 2 12ths. Oopsie, sorry, no. 2 12ths like that. There's another fraction that would also equal to 2 12ths. So you find your 2 12ths. Where are they? There we go. So that one you're going to stick there. How many would that one be then? 3 over 12. And the next one? 4 over 12. And so on and so forth up until there. Now if you remember from yesterday, 2 over 12 can also be written in a different way. And how I do this, if I can divide my top and my bottom by the same number and find a different way of what it looks like, then those two will be the same. So I'm going to divide, what will happen if I divide 2 by 2? Oh, sorry, 2 by 1, nothing. So I'm going to divide 2 by 2 because I can divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 2 12ths is the same as 1 6th. Back to this worksheet, there is a 1 6th, so I can put it there. You cut it out, you paste it in that blocky. So this one, 3 12ths. Let's divide them by 3, because I can divide 3 by 3, right? What is 3 divided by 3? 1. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Is there a quarter here? There is my quarter. So my quarter will go there. So just complete that number line. And if you don't know where something goes, leave it out. We can sort it out together in the classroom. I just want to show you as well a half can be written in many different ways. So just to show you, this shape is divided into 2 sections. One of them is colored and it's a half. Half of the shape is colored. This one is 4 sections, still half of it is colored, but now how many parts? 2 quarters. So it's the same as a half. The shape as well, there are 8 equal parts and half of it is colored, but how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of those are the same actually. It means half of the shape. You can just think of what is half of 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Another one would be 5 over 10, because 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then it makes 2 parts of the half. 12 and a 6 is also a half. 12 divided by 6 is also 2. 2 equal parts. And then you should be able to fill in this one, because this is the half mark. This would be 6 over 12. And then you look for all the different kinds of things that are a half. A third would not be a half. 2/3 not a half. 2/4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That would also be a half. Okay, guys, good luck.